And I think there's this need for meaning in every person, and it's not separated from entrepreneurship. So the first thing that the leader should do is to have to do something that's meaningful to him, and then being able to transmit this meaningfulness and purpose to the people with whom he or she is working. No? So that this purpose, something meaningful, is something that becomes something that integrates the concepts of conscious capitalism, no? So that everybody, all stakeholders are around this purpose, which is meaningful to them. So I think that's the most relevant thing someone has to be able to do. And for doing this, you have to do some things. So you have to be able to listen. You have to be able to lead, to bring people together to this idea, to let those that can do things better than you do it,